Say like
289.
1965 Galaxie, 289.
And it that engine was not available for this truck, but it was an easy retro. The transmission is a 72 heavy half van automatic, which is like a truck automatic. I've put in front power disc brakes because it goes faster now, so it has to stop faster. All the wiring is new. Everything was done for show. Radiator, everything that goes with it is new. Tie rod and all the front suspension, all that stuff. Anything I can get reproduction, I just put a Petronix electronic ignition in it.
Right.
The whole distributor. They sell the whole thing. So instead of putting a kit in it, I put the whole distributor that they make in it. And you have to put that on there when you do that. So, because this is all new along with that. I thought it ran good before. Holy moly. Does it run good with this electronic ignition in it? Standard steering, but I set up the pulley system so a guy could either power steering or air conditioning, whatever they wanted on it. The pulley is there for it. It's a factory air cleaner setup. I put dual horns on it. Upholstery, thick and heavy and supple. When you look up underneath, and even this way, it's done. It looks good. It looks good from underneath or from the outside. This is mahogany as well, because you can see it through the window.
Oh, gotcha.
So I did that. I forgot to clean back in here. Gas tank is new. Sending units, all that stuff is new. These are for the tailgate. When you bring your tailgate down, these just clip on.
Oh, okay. That's
So you can sit on it. Or whatever you want to do. These parts, these two on either side, and the mahogany in here is there for the floor shifter is not original. This is originally a straight 6 and a 4-speed. So the tunnel, this had to be manufactured, the whole tunnel cover there. And that shifter from Sidewinder basically makes it a selectable automatic. You can select any gear you want.
Oh, good.
Okay, or you can put it in gear 3 on there, and it goes through all 3. It upshifts through all 3 and downshifts through all 3. But if you want to shift it yourself, you 1, 2, 3, and it's gated.
Okay.
It's got a gate in it.
Okay.
Always start it in park. There is no neutral safety switch on this.
Okay.
This is just cool old junk because it's got the thing that lights up on it.
Right. Oh, yeah.
This is an all-in-one from Classic Instruments. You can't get any better than that. It's got a tack in it. It's got all your voltage in it, and your fuel, and your temperatures, and oil pressure, and all that, along with this. And it's designed to just go right in there.
Nice.
This is original. It had a hole in it when I got it, so I put a vacuum gauge in there. Kind of like that Pontiac in there. They used to use vacuum gauges back in the day. Told you if you had your foot in it too a little too much, you know. That's what it did. Everything here is factory stock. This is for a cigarette lighter, and I hate those things. It comes with it, but I didn't install it. These are plugs from Ford. The only way you get those is going in a junkyard and finding an old truck that's got one in it. And I've got an extra one because I also put a hand choke in it, but it's not hooked up because the choke on it's automatic.
Oh, gotcha.
Right? Everything works. Wipers, heaters, brakes. Carpet's not supposed to be in here, which is why I had to put these on, because Ford just had a piece of aluminum there, and which always got destroyed immediately. This is the Grant steering wheel with the Ford. Dual horns.
Any gas shutoffs, electric shutoffs?
No, what I do is on the battery, I have a marine battery in it, or a marine terminals on the battery, so you just undo a wing nut. Okay. You disconnect it. This is all by hand. No tape, no crap like that. I wanted this color to be a little different than this color to highlight it a little better. This is an actual insignia that Ford used both on the hood and on the upholstery in the center. But I didn't want to drill holes and put any extra chrome on it that didn't need to be there. This is where the original mirror goes, and Ford charged extra for them back in the day. If you didn't want a mirror, outside mirror, they put a plug in it, so that's factory stuff there. The tires are affectionately termed condiment tires because when you go and get your Wendy's hamburger, you can have any condiment on it you want, and that's about what these things are. And those tire guys nicknamed them because you got a porta wall or a white wall in here, and then that they're kind of rare. It's hard to get them, but I got them. A little bigger in the back than in the front. The back wheels are 1/2 inch wider than the front because that's what kids did. These are original Cal custom jobs. They're not plastic. The front's all stock except for the bumper. The bumper is OEM Ford 60, 61 to 66. These are 58 Cadillac Dagmars. We used to call them Dagmars because that was after a Hollywood actress.
Oh, yes.
If you remember. But
Noticed.
7s kind of like came up and did that. So I had to get 58s. And of course they've been modified and I welded them on the original bumper. And of course everyone's got to have a compass on their dash back then. Mahogany, rock walnut, sides are aspen out of Rocky Mountains. This is all Doug fir. That Fomoco in 1962 is mahogany, same mahogany as this. These are white oak. It was done, it was fully restored, so the bed's fine. These are made so they can lift right out. Any black screw you see, you take those screws out, and this whole section lifts out, and then these sections come out. You can take the whole thing out if you want. There's nothing drilled in the truck itself. So you take them all out, so these